Another week, another project. I had to replace this clamp over here. This one, see, inside was getting smoke, I don't know why, and that smoke was going all the way in the cab. When I stopped, I could smell smoke in my cab, so hopefully the clamp is gonna fix the issue. And this is how to take everything out, and this too. Beautiful. So hopefully now not gonna have no more smoke in the cab. Hopefully fix the issue. At delivery, and they assigned me a door 22. Check this out, guys. Door 22 is red light. That means the container is not done. We gotta go back to the office. This is how far is the office? So I'm gonna have to go there to that door and see what they say. Which door they're gonna give me now. Looks like we have a plan. They give me door 25 now, so let's see if it's empty. Door 25 empty, yes. Have to break the seal. And we have only 5 pallets of water, so hopefully delivery will be quick. How can you not love it? Less than 20 minutes. Empty. Let's go. Week is over. God bless everyone. I left and I forgot. My BO lading was here. Let's go.